Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to get YouTube Premium for free. So for this tutorial, don't skip the video. Before this video, if you still don't subscribe to our channel, then please go for it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's go back to the tutorial. So first you need to open your Google browser and go to youtube.com. After that, you have to log into your YouTube profile. So when you are in this page, you have to go to in this list and scroll down. So when you scroll down, go to YouTube Premium. Okay. So now you have to go to try it for free. Okay. Now check this add credit or debit card and go for buy. Now you have to fill these all things, and after that you have to click on save card. So don't worry, it's totally free. When you are click on the save options, only 2 cents or 2 rupees or 2 taka will be deducted from your card. Then within 24 hours it will be given to your account again. So guys, this is how you can get YouTube Premium for free. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.